Talking about the past, Ana María Margarita Lozano Sequea. My story. I told this story to you once, didn't I? When I was a child in my hometown, San Marcos. I always went to all the traditional religious and cultural events. I used to go very early in the morning to the sunrise festivity in honor of the Virgen del Carmen. I went with my cousin and friends. We threw flour and water to each other. Did you do it with what's great time? After that, my parents, my grandma, and I assisted to the ceremony in the principal crowds of the town. When the ceremony ended with breakfast in a very baker crossing the street from Cruz. Will always ask for the same dish scambor egg. Slices of bread, a sausage, and a hot chocolate. Did you eat too after breakfast? We returned back home and took at night. At lunchtime, my grandma always prepared her famous dish, turtle and coconut rice. I never liked it, so I ate chicken instead. Chicken is bitter, it's it all after lunch. We spent time little in the backyard of the house. We were until 4 p.m. when the drivers parade took place. When in front of warehouse in annual terrace with large chairs to watch the parade. It's excellent. Many drivers in cars, trucks, and motorcycles. They cover their vehicles with white balloons and purple lights. In the front of the parade, there was a large statue of the Virgen del Carmen. It was held by some men in a platform. Then there was typical music band and fire a very loud vehicle. In the evening, when the parade ended, my father wished to take out his stereo device and started to listen to loud music. Did I tell you it was really beating invited at the neighbor and relatives, which shared with them all the entire night on this worry. My father and uncle here tons of meat with yuca. They drank a lot of rum and beers. I spent most of the time playing with my cousin and neighbor. I stayed awake until 6 a.m. with my dad and my mom. Most of people went to their houses earlier. Just few of them remained. There were really happy day for me and my family. Were they not be stopped to do the party, we just go to the church.